Whoa, we got another package? All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we have something from the Tank Museum in Bovington in the UK. So let's go ahead and check this out, get you out of the way. Thank you. So feel free to check out, again, the Tank Museum in Bovington. They have a very large selection of items. Let's see how we can get this open. Okay, so you can see I've already removed the importation paperwork. There's some mail information on the other side. This came wrapped in this black plastic wrap around a cardboard box. And let's see what I selected in this package. This was part of a holiday book sale and kind of year-end clearance. So it's kind of a buy three, get one free. And in this case, I selected a whole selection of kind of the Haynes workshop manuals, but for tanks in this case. So in no particular order. Let's start with Centurion. Main battle tank, 1946 to present. You can see there, hardcover. All these are hardcovers, actually. You can see here the style and very quick look. Mix of text and lots of photos. Next up, again, no particular order. You can see even here, right off the shelf, a price sticker. Panzer 3. Next up, again, no particular order. Tiger tank. And last but not least, Challenger 1 main battle tank, in this case 1983 through the 2001 cutoff point. You can see here to even specify FE4030/4 as their particular model there. Can't get that last bit. There we go. Again, this one has a lot of color pictures in it. So working our way back, Challenger 1 main battle tank, Tiger tank, Panzer 3, and Centurion main battle tank. These all came from the Tank Museum, Bovington, UK. They have a large variety of items, not just books, but other memorabilia, model kits, etc., as well as the museum itself. So feel free to check them out. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We should do show and tell videos as well as a selection of book review meter reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.